Good morning, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. We're in the nursery here at the house. It's May the 23rd. I'll show you what we're doing. Might be kind of bad on the eyes, but I'll show you what we're doing. This hive here, the queen didn't come back, so there's bees in there robbing it out, which is okay, because I know what they're going to be doing with the honey. So we're going to put it back in. There's a lot of bees in there. Okay, now over here we have this hive, which is down here on the end, and the queen didn't come back for it. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this box that the queen didn't come back before they start drone laying. We got a lot of dragonflies. Okay, and we're going to take one frame from this one, and we're going to put them all in this one down here, which has the queen. She's been marked. Get you set up here. And this is just something I hadn't showed y'all before. But this is what we do if this happens. Hold on a second. Okay. Let me drop a lid here. There we go. Okay. Now, what we did to start with is I've got sugar water mixed up in this. My spray bottle ceased to function, so I got sugar water mixed up in one of these. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. There we go. And what we're going to do is spray the top of these bees. It's got a queen, it's got a white queen because I've already seen it, but we're going to spray this on there. We give them some new pollen. And we're going to take this box over here. That was, the queen didn't come back. We got a good amount of bees in it. The queen didn't come back. We're going to take it over here, and we're going to set it. Come on, girl. There. Okay. We've already sprayed them with some sugar water. I think y'all are upside down there. Hold on. Okay. We got that sitting on there. We've got them some new pollen in there too. We're going to take this off, stick it over here. This is the frame that comes from the one that's being bobbed out. We're going to put some sugar water on that. And stick it in here. And this sugar water that I'm spraying in here is a light sugar water, or you can use your regular sugar water. And it's got about 5 or 6 drops of vanilla extract in it. So they all smell the same. And when they clean everybody off, they'll be friends, I hope. So we're going to take this, put it back on here. This is the original one from that hive. We're going to, and it's not all that hot today, but this show is humid, people. We're going to put that there. Take that out of there. Put that in there. Get my mixed up sugar water that I give my babies. I don't get no honey off of them, so they can get this until they grow up. Okay, we got that. We got one good girl down there that grabbed her. There she is. Come on. People ask me why you put the pine straw in there. The bees can't swim that good. Okay, you take this one and flip it there. And like I say, you can't save them all. And that's it, people. That's the screen wire top. We'll put the top back on it. Write down on it what we did. This is hive number 081. Y'all can check out that on the playlist, which would be a good thing. Give us a comment, share, subscribe. Let people know where we're at. And we will talk to y'all later. Y'all have a great one. Bye.